Welcome to One Auto. This is 2009 Toyota Sienna replacing rear brake pad. Put the jack. You can put the jack right here. See this? This is for the jack. So put the jack in here and please put the jack stand on the side right there. Open this lug nut for the tire. I think it's 22 millimeter. After open the tire, then I need to open this. So open this top hole first, 14 millimeter. And then the bottom one. After that, just you feed up the caliper. So this whole caliper is coming out. And don't hang like this. This is the brake line. So put in here or hang with the bungee cord or something. Take the pair off. Take the seam. Take the shim off. So we're gonna replace this shim. This caliper guide pin is supposed to be go in and out easily. If it doesn't come out, just put something like here on the edge and tap with the hammer. Tap with the hammer right here, and it will come out like this. It's really, there's no grease inside. It gets so dry. See this? I have to put the grease in here, like brake grease. And same this one too. Put the lubricant. When you buy the brake grease for this, I use this one. The silicone paste is stay longer, not dry like quick. So I'm gonna put the clean this, and I'm gonna put some silicone paste. Put the grease on this in here. So till go. See. In and out easily. It has to be in and out like this. So make sure you put the grease clean and put the grease. So give it good clean in here. It's right here and the other side on the top too. Just clean this with the wire brush or something. Just give it good clean. Top too, and other side. This. I'm gonna put some WD-40 for the better cleaning. So there I'm gonna put this thing, this inside. Put this shim just like this. This thing go inside. Push it in. When you put this, you see this roller is so rusty. So this man is gonna touch. Possible is gonna touch this shim. Possible is gonna touch this. Right here, the roller. So that's why you need to push this like this. So I'm gonna put something in here like a pry bar. Just push. Just do like this. So it's not gonna touch the roller anymore. See this brake pad. This is the wire indicator. Like when this go all the way down, then it touch the roller, so you'll know that your brake pad is excessively thin. So this one I usually put in back side. Let me show you from the front. See this, just put in a groove. It's right here. Just push like this. See this, same thing in the back too. gonna put the bag. You have this one, same thing like that. It's like this. Make sure it's flooded in here. After that, I'm gonna push this piston inside to make more room in here, so it can go easily right there. I'm gonna push this piston with this. That's the tools. You can use the tools, or you can just press inside. Just press it like this. See, it's going little by little inside. See, now it's all the way in. That's it. Simply just slide in. So push this. Push this pin. So match with the hole, this nut and this. Just tie it up. Sometimes this nut is spin. So if it is spin, like hole with another wrench like this, 14 millimeter, then another 14 millimeter, put in here, just tie it up. So now put the bottom bowl right there. If it is spin this ball, just pull one of the wrench right there to hold this nut, then tie it with another wrench, tie the 14 millimeter right here. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, guys.